Hello friends, again J.R. Singh with you with a very special fact in your geometry. What is the special fact? The parallel lines. Parallel lines are very important because they are used several times in mostly all the chapters of the geometry of 10th standard. So it is very important thing and mostly students are confused. So I will tell you very easy method of understanding the properties of the parallel lines. Let us see properties of the parallel lines. What is the parallel line? What do you mean by parallel line? Mostly it is asked. There are two words, non-intersecting and coplanar. Two or more lines which are coplanar and non-intersecting each other, do not intersect each other, they are known as parallel lines. So, two or more coplanar non-intersecting lines are parallel lines. These two words are mostly important because in my experience what I have got, students are just telling non-intersecting lines. And if you are telling only one word, non-intersecting, that will be wrong because there are 6 planes here in this room. So if you are drawing one line here and one line on that plane, they will not be parallel, though they are not intersecting each other. So there should be compulsory condition is the line should be coplanar. Now suppose there are two lines AB and CD. AB and CD are two lines which are coplanar and they are not intersecting each other. Now another thing is the transversal. A line which intersects both the lines in different points P, Q, R, S. This PQ or PR or PS line intersects AB and CD both in two different points. See, if there are two lines and third line intersection is here, this is not the intersecting line. This is not the transversal. Though this is intersecting, but it is not transversal because it is intersecting both the lines at the same point. Now, even if the lines are not parallel and one line intersects both the lines in two different points, that will be transversal. This is transversal, but this is not the transversal. So, we will just try to understand the properties of the parallel lines. There are three types of the angles formed with respect to the parallel lines and the transversal. First is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are congruent. Corresponding angles, how will you find? Just flag. If you try to make a flag from B to Q, Q to S or R, and from D to R, R to S. So these two angles are formed. When you are coming from B, Q, S, this angle is formed. And when you are coming from D to R, R to S, then this angle is formed. So flag is formed. Corresponding angle. So F structure. Corresponding angles are F structure. Easily try to find out the F and corresponding angles you can get. Three-letter name. From one point you will go to other point. From that point you will take turn and go to third point. Third point can be R also or S also. Any point you can take. Similarly, opposite. This side also. F. Corresponding angles are congruent. Now, 2 from down side and 2 from upside. Means this angle is congruent to this angle, F structure, ulta F. Or this angle is congruent to this angle. Now we are coming to the second type. Alternate interior angles. They are also congruent. They are recognized by Z structure. Z. How will you make Z? From A to Q, Q to R, R to D. A, Q, R, D. Z is formed. Z structure. So one pair is here. AQR and QRD. AQRD will be broken in two parts. AQR and angle QRD. Similarly, opposite side also you will take from this side Z. BQR and QRC. Now third is interior angles. Of same side. How to get it? How to catch them? इसका गला पकड़ने के लिए हमको सी स्ट्रक्चर बनाना पड़ता है. सी, ये सी बन गया. बी क्यू आर डी, सी स्ट्रक्चर इज फॉर्म्ड. ए क्यू आर सी, दिस साइड सी, दिस साइड सी. So there are two pairs of your interior angles, and interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary means sum of two angles 180 degree, and complementary sum of two angles 90 degree. Supplementary and complementary both I am doing because it will become easy for you to remember. Complement and supplement. ज़्यादातर लोग बोलते हैं ना, क्या कम्प्लीमेंट दे रहे हो, कमेंट कर रहे हो. कम्प्लीमेंट 90 डिग्री. सप्लीमेंट मीन्स कंप्लीट करने के लिए उसको. तो ये आपकी प्रॉपर्टीज हो गई. और ये अगर आपको पता है करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स, अल्टरनेट एंगल्स एंड इंटीरियर एंगल्स पकड़ने की स्टाइल मालूम है, यानी एफ, जेड और सी, खाली 3 लेटर आपको याद रखना है. करस्पॉन्डिंग एफ, अल्टरनेट जेड एंड इंटीरियर सी. देखिए हर चैप्टर में आपको ये मिलेगा. अगर लाइंस पैरेलल हैं तो एंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे और ये सप्लीमेंट्री होगा. अगर एंगल लाइंस पैरेलल हैं तो एंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट, और अगर एंगल्स ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं, ये प्रॉपर्टीज मिल रही हैं, तो लाइंस पैरेलल है. प्रूव कभी कभी प्रूव करना पड़ता है, प्रूव दैट लाइंस आर पैरेलल. तो ऐसा तो नहीं लाइंस उठ के बोलने लग जाएंगी कि हाँ भाई हम पैरेलल हैं. लाइंस को पैरेलल प्रूव करने के लिए एंगल्स को प्रूव करना. अल्टरनेट एक प्रूव कर दो, खाली अल्टरनेट एंगल प्रूव कर दो, चाहे करस्पॉन्डिंग प्रूव कर दो, चाहे इंटीरियर एंगल्स प्रूव कर दो. कुछ ना कुछ तो हिंट रहती है, और उसी हिंट का यूज़ करके हम आराम से, इसीलिए कहते हैं ज्योमेट्री में आंसर होता है क्वेश्चन में ही. क्वेश्चन में ही आंसर होता है, खाली उसको एडजस्ट करना है. एवरीथिंग इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, only you have to adjust the things and finally you will come to the marks. Okay, so let us see further. Now just in previous lecture we studied the types of the triangles based on angles and the sides. 3 types based on angles and 3 sides based on sides. Here we studied the alternate interior angles, corresponding angles and interior angles of the parallel lines. That will be very much helpful in your geometry. After that I will come to you with a special demonstration with different types of the quadrilaterals. Till then, you keep on seeing my channel, viewing my channel, and subscribe it so that I can do something better. If you are encouraging, I will do better and better. Chapter wise I will give afterwards. After giving all the general things, I will start with the chapters for 9th and 10th standard. Thank you very much.